So what drew me to the biology major at Springfield College is the opportunity to take different classes that I was interested in.
I really enjoyed the labs here because I feel as though it's a smaller group typically. A lot of it was collaboration, our collaboration with our East Campus. I feel the best piece of advice is to, no matter what you want to go into, try other things that you think you might align yourself with.
So the support and relationships I've built with the faculty in the bio program has been influential and really awesome because they give you a bunch of guidance and advice that really help you kind of steer where you want to go.
Professors really make sure that students can have that class time, whether it's if their office hours don't line up, they can do out of class hours and they can schedule meetings, and they make sure that it's very accommodating for everyone.
If you're interested in biology, I would just say go for it, because the only way you're gonna realize kind of what you're interested in is just to dive deep and immerse yourself into the classes. And the community at Springfield College is absolutely awesome. You're gonna get support from everyone, and that extends to the bio program here as well.